Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. You dream of days like this, being in the market. This is what it's all about. Just remember this when we have the down days. Remember, you had days like this. These are the days you dream of, staying in the market, staying invested, rather than your money sitting in the bank, losing money because of inflation. Have it invested, remain invested, save, invest. What can I say? What a great day. Absolutely fantastic. This is what being an investor is all about. So there's my position. As you can see, all-time highs once again, 105,665. Absolutely fantastic. Let's go through all our positions and let's see what's up today, what's going on. Let's go through right now. Here we go. So you can see the overall markets are up. Virgin Galactic has carried on going. Nothing is sold out today. Look at that, 7% gain in a day. You had a 7% gain yesterday. Virgin Galactic, fantastic. Money flooding in. As promised, I said money would flood into the markets in July in its billions and trillions, and it is exactly what's happening. Money was waiting on the sidelines and now it's coming in and it's going absolutely everywhere at the moment. Gold, the S&P up 1.19. I'm at 1.64 because I'm in margin, of course, taking advantage of it. Amazon up 0.26. Apple up 1.94. Look at that. Next Era Energy up 2.26. Enphase Energy 7%. Look at these gains. Coca-Cola 1.41, J&J up 0.49, 150 now, lovely. Plus the dividends, remember, Chevron up, Tesla up, look at this, Rivian up 11.22, McDonald's up 0.33, time in better than timing. Learn this. Absolutely right. Radiant smile for days like this. We've been saying, haven't we, repeatedly on the show, July, billions of dollars is coming in the market. People have been waiting on the sidelines to hear that rates are coming down. Money is better now in equity. In stocks, so you can see it. Microsoft up, Nvidia 3.33%. Look at that in a day. Walmart down slightly. Tilray Brands up. I mean, look, everything is up. Robinhood is up. IonQ, look at that. Rocket Lab 6%. Space is on fire today. Plug Power 5.49. Rumble 6.47. Funware 1.3. I mean, literally everything is up today. Faraday Future, even rubbish is up today. Bitcoin 2.28. Not doing so well there, really. XRP up 4%. Looking to sell all of that when it gets to about $5. Wow, what a day that has been. Billions of dollars now flooding into the markets. Why are we up so much? Well, if you've been following the show, Caden, you'll know I've been saying the same thing. In July, we'd get the rate cuts in September. Billions of dollars waiting on the sidelines in cash and in bonds and stuff like that. Now moving into the main markets. We've said it. How many videos have I put that and said that? That's why everything is up. Now, everything won't stay up. People will take profits and move into quality. But of course, the small caps, which have grown the least compared to the mega caps, will get a rally, but it won't go on forever. It'll move back in to the mega caps. So just bear that in mind. There'll be some more rotation. We've seen a pivot this morning. We said it would happen, and it did exactly. Virgin Galactic hasn't sold, though. That was the only thing I said would happen. I said it would sell, but right now there's so much money coming in. Everyone's buying everything. And as you can see, if we go over to the greed index, we are in greed once again. We've been out of greed now for a few weeks, and if not a month or so. We are in greed again. Not in extreme greed, but we are heading back up there. So just bear that in mind. A lot of stuff is being bought up. Maybe concentrate now on taking profit, concentrate on rotating into quality rather than just, low quality. Just bear that in mind. Anyway, what a great time. Look at this. all-time records, $105,664. Do you see Monday being a huge sell-off? Well, it depends what you're in. I'm not concerned about that at all. It'll climb until it doesn't and start selling off. Housing market is a nightmare, but the housing market is completely separate from the stock, so I don't see any reason why the stock market would sell off because of housing. Yeah, real estate is a mess right now. It is. It'll climb and then correct itself. Well, the way I look at it is this. I'm up now on the S&P in many areas, and let me share with you. If we go to my Roth, where I haven't been buying anything all summer, all year, 18.51%. I see, and I've said this, and I'll say it again, I see that the S&P will 3x, that's triple its size, by the end of the decade. Normally, every 7 years, we double. I am seeing a triple at the end of the decade, right? Which is insane, because I only got 6 years to go. So that's double the amount, more than double the amount that we normally have. But I think that's what's going to happen, okay? So over the next 6 months, there's probably another 10%. I see 10% in the market this year. There are others who see 20% in the market this year. I see 10 because I'm always conservative, really. I'm not trying to sell videos and dramatize it. I see 10, which is what I'm budgeting myself. I budget and I invest the same way as I sell the videos. I don't sell the videos saying we're all going to get rich just so I make money on YouTube. So I, like Meet Kevin and people like that. That's not what I do. I mean, every day now, Meet Kevin has said that Biden is going to be replaced. Every single day. It's happening now. It's happening now. It's happening now, just to get views. I don't do that. I don't sell training programs. That's not what I do. I make videos and YouTube thumbnails based upon what I do with my real money. So maybe there is, I believe, 10%. Maybe there's 20, but I'm going to go on 10. That'll put me up 28% on the S&P this year. That's incredible. What a year that has been, which is normal, by the way. When people say 13%, if you include dividends and inflation, 13% on average a year is the average. So why is that? That isn't normal. The fact that we're up 20% or 30%, it is, because on average, that's what we're up. We have good years and bad years. We might get, next couple of years, it goes sideways for a while after this rally. So it equals out the same. Doesn't matter, does it? If you're a long-term investor, you don't care. So if it does end up the year with another 10%, that's 28%. Then we could have a 10% pullback. I'm still where I am today. So it doesn't matter, does it? It doesn't matter. And when it pulls back, it allows people to take profit, get in and do it again, and then go to another all-time high. That's just how it works. So the more this runs away right now, the less it's going to impact me as a long-term investor going forward. So I'm not worried. Doesn't bother me. I don't care. In fact, if we run another 20% this year, which some say we might get, if that's the case and we end up running another 20% and then come back 10%, by then I would have paid down some more of my margin, and then I'll start doing it again. So pulling back is just as good as going up for me as a long-term investor. For a trader, obviously you want to try and time it, but I'm not interested in timing it. I'm not interested at all. Anyway. Martin doesn't remember 2008. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I do remember 2008. I lived through it. At the time, I was investing with Barclays Bank. So I do know all about 2008. You're bloody right, I do. I actually felt it in real life. I think it was the year after that I went bankrupt. I lost my business. So I know all about 2008. Lived with the mortgage payments, lived with the bankruptcy, lived with the credit crunches, lived with the housing, lived with the Big Short. You're damn right I knew all about it. I do remember that very much. Anyway, it doesn't matter. That's right. The interest of a housing loan is killing me from getting another Airbnb. Airbnb got lawsuits coming. I sold my big winners, just couldn't help it in my Roth. Smoky Fats, fantastic. You've been able to sell in your Roth, so you've not paid any tax. Great. I mean, I could do the same thing. I've got $26,000 there. Absolutely great. If you look at my gains, if I look at my Roth, I've gained just $3,945. Absolutely great. Sell the whole thing. 17% up. I won't pay a penny in tax. Just like you. Won't pay a penny in tax. I've got 26. It won't make any difference to my margin, of course. The Roth is completely separate. But if I sold all of that, I've got 26 grand. I could just literally go into one stock right now, sell all, S&P, 17% banked. Boom. In. No tax, no issue, no problem. No. Perfect. However, because I'm not playing checkers, I'm playing chess, I'm thinking 20 moves ahead, not just one. If I sell it today, I have to ask myself, what am I going to do now? If it carries on going, I'm missing out on being a long-term investor. I want to get back in anyway to get all those sweet dividends. I've got about 2 months to get back in again. But if I end up paying $1.76 more than I am now, I've kind of lost the benefit of the dividend, because that's about what the dividend is now, about $1.75, $1.76. That might change, of course. But if it goes up by $1.76 or more, I've not gained from the next dividend. However, now by not selling, I'm going to gain from the dividend. Essentially, you're selling because you're hoping it's going to go down lower. Now, for the S&P, of course, you always believe it's going to go up in the future. Whatever discount I get over and above $1.76, if you like, I'm back in where I started from. So anything above there is a benefit, right? But no one knows when it's going to pull back. No one knows by how much. No one knows. You just don't know. And the argument is, if you could see into the future and fast forward, when I need the money in 20 years' time, maybe I'll never need the money. Maybe I'll always be on YouTube and I won't need the money. I'll just be living on dividends and whatever. But maybe, hopefully, maybe I'm going to need the money one day, and I've got to then sell, right? Would I have had more money trading as opposed to just owning? And the jury's out on that. 95% of traders lose money. Most people, if they just leave it in, would have actually made more money, because you're not looking for those re-entry points. Now, it's different on the Roth, you're right, Smoky Fats, because you're not going to pay any tax, so you're not losing anything. Why not? What if we wake up tomorrow, or Monday morning rather, wake up Monday morning and there's a 5% pullback? There could be. You can buy 5% lower, but of course, you're paying 5%. You're paying 5% lower than where we are now, but you're paying, in my case, about 12% higher than where I was originally. Now, you might say, that doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You banked that money, you bought it back. But then if we get another drop, which, hey, anything's possible, now you're out of the money for a while. Then you can't sell. Remember, you sell first in, first out, the FIFO rule. When I want my money and I start releasing the cash, I'll be selling my lowest shares. I want my lowest shares to be my lowest shares. I want them to be the lowest shares I've ever bought. So there's maximum amount of gain, and I can sell at any point. If I've been buying on the way up and selling on the way up, some of my shares might be sold for a loss. And I've lost money. I don't lose money. Since I've started this strategy, I never lose money. Rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, remember rule number 1. Since January, when I rebalanced, I have not lost a penny. Every day I make money. So I'm beating the market most days. I'm beating the market again today because I'm in margin. So I'm not going to sell because I don't need the money. I want to remain in the market. I don't want the stress and drama of trying to find the timing in and whatever. And overall, I think I'll be better off by just owning and not selling. Certainly on my brokerage account. But main reason on my Roth is when I finally do come to sell, if I've been buying on the way up and selling on the way up, I'm going to be, if we get a drop and I need the money, I'm going to be selling stocks for losses. And there's no reason to ever sell for losses with my strategy. So that's why I'm not selling. They've had an increase in hidden cameras. What's all that about? Oh, I see, with the Airbnbs, yeah. Martin doesn't remember. Yes, I do. I do remember that. Real estate market collapse led to the downfall of '08. Yes. Congress drilled Powell about the banks. They are extremely distressed. Derivatives. Smoky Fats. Yes, we covered the interview with Jerome Powell. In fact, I broke it down into sections. You might appreciate this if you want a bit of a laugh here. That's quite funny. There was a couple I did here. Let me share with you. Where was it? There we go. There was this video. Mr. Kennedy rips into Fed Chair Powell. But the one you're referring to was Miss Warren, this one here, with regard to the banks. Ms. Warren, yeah, this was a real telling off. I suggest you do your job. Yes, if you've not seen this one, Miss Warren gave him an absolute grilling. Let me give you that. Share. If you didn't see this one, you might like to see this one. Back up what you just said there. There's the video there. All right, I've just dropped it in there for you. So go and take a look at that. But yeah, everybody on Rumble, I've also given you the videos as well. You've got all the videos there for you to look at as well. I post all the videos onto Rumble and YouTube exactly the same. Right, now then, if you missed this earlier, I want to tell everybody about it. If you missed this, I want to give everyone another chance at this because I'm really pushing this now. I'm going to pay for your gold membership for 4 months on Robinhood. I've just put out 2 videos. I'll pay you. Yep. I'm Mr. Moneybags now. Look, I'm making so much money. I'm paying everybody now to have gold. How about that? I'll pay you. I'll pay you to have Robinhood Gold. Here it is. I need 4 more people. 4 people then didn't pay their Robinhood Gold. That's why it went down from 1 to 4. But I'm really determined to do this. Here is your link. If you need to be in the United States. If you are on Robinhood or you're not on Robinhood, just upgrade using my link, go gold, and it's $5 a month, which is worth it. I'm on Robinhood Gold. I use Robinhood Gold, right? I strongly recommend it if you use any of the facilities. If you don't use anything and you just got $20 in there, it's no point. But go and watch those videos. It explains all about it. And what you need to do is I will pay your first 4 months. I will give you $20 for free. All right? All you got to do is go gold, then take a photograph of your Roth that you use my referral, send it in the Discord so I've got the image, then I can verify it. And then once I get the gold card or the money equivalent, because they're going to do either, once I get that and I've got you verified, I will then be able to give you your $20 prize. All right? It's first come, first serve. Once 4 people have done it, the 5th person, that's it, done. All right? It's the first 4 people. Okay? Six of you have done it. And there's the link in the chat. Did I give it to everybody on Rumble? Let me give it to everybody on Rumble as well. Here you go. First 4 people. Okay. All right. There's my Rumble audience taken care of. Okay. Now then, also something that you may have missed. Don't forget, if you've got a video on the channel without a red line, it means you've not watched it. I've just put out, I think, a really funny video. Would you buy a Tesla Optimus robot? And I also put a short out as well with this one. Did you see my short? I was sucked up by a robot. That's the short of that video. All right, you want to have a quick look? There you go. Let me just see if I can do this. Can I? How do I make it play? There you go.
Get me out of the vacuum.
Let me out. I spent it. I go on the website. I put in $10,000 on my credit card. You're gonna be lying in the bed and feeling a tug on your toe. What the bloody hell's that? As your foot goes up inside the side.
Get me out of the vacuum.
Let me out. I spent it. I go on the website. I put in $10,000. So there you go. Go and check that out. And the question I asked you on this short was, have you been sucked up by a robot? Where's this channel going? It used to be a financial channel. Now we're getting sucked up by robots. What's going on here? So you can go on the short section of the channel and you can have a little look at all my funny shorts. I'm trying to be entertaining. I've even got songs now. I've even got songs. Have you heard my songs? Pour myself a coffee. Do you still believe in Virgin? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Will we make it to Delta? Answer please, yes or no. See what I mean? Oh yeah. See what I mean? When I wake up in the morning and I pour myself a coffee, do you still believe in Virgin? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Will we make it to Delta? Answer please, yes or no. See that? Oh, yeah. And what you can do as well is if you watch that on your phone, right? I might give prizes away. If you watch it on your phone, you can collab with it. You can sing along, dance along. You can even do commentary, and you can react to it and stuff like that. So go and do that. Go and pick one of my shorts and have a laugh. Also, I put out the Trotters Independent Trading, comparing traders to investors. And of course, Ross made it. Pivot. The market's pivoted this morning. I explained all about the pivot, and there you go. And there's the whole video if you want to go and check out Stacey Bailey. Look, Stacey Bailey and Zach Zate, who made it to the being sucked up by a robot. All right, so the two robots in the background, did you see what that is? If you look closely, the two robots are carrying boxes with the word "would you." All right, so there you go. Go and check it out. I tell you what, you can't believe it, can you? You can't believe this channel's got that good. It's amazing. It's off the charts now. I got clients who have had their house for sale for months, says Caden. Dear, oh dear, we're sorry to hear that. No, one's buying a home for $1 million, not average American. Rental. Oh, hello.
Jonathan V has become a member.
Jonathan V has become a member, a silver member. Silver member, you can request to go on to the homepage of the channel. You get extra perks. So Jonathan V, let's welcome Jonathan V into the channel, everybody. Could everybody copy and paste? Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Jonathan V. Right, Jonathan, would everyone please welcome Jonathan? Where are you from, Jonathan? Maybe I can fly the flag for you. We've got members in 62 countries and 14 languages. What is your home language? Maybe we can do a special welcome for you. Anyway, as a member, there are many, many perks. It takes me half an hour to explain them all. So here is the how and the why member video. You have to watch all of this. There's no ads on it, but watch it. It will tell you all about the perks and benefits you get. But very, very quickly, I will give you some of the perks. As a silver member, if you ask me right now, right here, right now, I will put you on the homepage of my channel. If you're a YouTuber and you want everyone to subscribe to you, I can help with that. That's part of what we do. That's part of what we do. So if you want to do that, let me know. But here are a few things for you. First of all, Alpha Spread. As a member, the most advanced algorithmic software. You can now get access to that. for free, or you can get a lifetime discount, which makes your membership for free. That's not bad, is it? The music channel. Tonight, in an hour and a half from now, you can request a free song. That's right. You don't have to super chat. You don't have to super chat. Well, you do the second song. But tonight, you can, Jonathan, you can dedicate a song to your loved one. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my music channel, and I'm doing a live concert tonight. And you can join me. I'll give you the link for it in a minute. There you go. In fact, I'll give you the link now. Sod it. Why am I waiting? Why am I waiting? This is an hour and a half from now. I will do a special request dedication for you live in my show. And then you can save the video, copyright free, and it can be a gift to a loved one. All right, Jonathan, maybe your wife or whatever, your girlfriend, whatever you like. And I will do that for you tonight. That's free as a new member. You can't believe it, can you? You can't believe it. I thought, this is amazing. You're thinking, this is amazing. I can't believe it. Right. I can't believe I'm even saying it, but there it is. Right. What else can I give you right now? Okay. Also, if you go into the shop and you want to get yourself a mug, you can be on the show. You take a photograph, send it into Discord. I'll come on to Discord in a second, and you can be on the show. You can now phone in. Live on the show, you've got members-only videos, members-only live streams, members-only chats. You can ask me to poll the audience, to do an earnings, to review a stock, make videos on it, all these things you can get. There's my X account. Follow me on X. And I will post all my trades before I make them. There's the all links page, martynlucas.com, for all the links. And if you go on all the links page, you can now get our newsletter, which I don't send you out newsletters very often, only a few times a year. It's mainly as a backup if we lose the channel, but also it allows me to send you birthday cards, Christmas cards, stuff like that. That's all I do with it. So it's really good, right? You put your name in there if you want, your birthday if you want, just the month and the day, not the year. And below there are all the different things, all the free stocks. Don't forget, you can now get I'll pay for your Robinhood Gold if you click on my referral. Did I give you that earlier? It's in that video. I'll give it to you again now if you're in the United States, whether you have Robinhood or not. Here it is. Let me give you the link there. There you go. There's that. What else have I got for you? I've got a few more things. You need to go and watch the whole video, though, for all the things. All links. Oh, the extra channel. As a member now, you're invited to the extra channel. We are live 12 hours a day in the extra channel. Look at this. Members only. 99 cents is all it takes to be a member here, and you'll be welcomed in as a member. And this is where we're live 12 hours a day. You can ask me to come live, do something, breaking news. They're all the members. We have no bots, no scammers. It's only members. It's 99 cents to become a member of that channel, but as a member of here, you can get access to that. That's cool. What else have I got for you? There's loads of things. Extra. Here is Discord. This is one thing everybody loves. This allows you to share information. Also get the free, we don't charge for anything here, free training from Ed Nevius. If you want to learn to scalp trade, you can get that. Now, if you click on the Discord link, it takes 10 minutes to get through security. So you've got time before the end of the show. Once you've done it and verified your email and done all that great stuff, all right, once you've done all of that, I will then upgrade you manually in the show. You have to give me your Discord username in the show. Now, do not accept anyone's friend request called Martyn Lucas. They're all scammers and bots, all pretending to be me, okay? I never send you a friend request. However, I will accept your friend request if you send me a friend request, and I've just put it in the chat, Martyn Lucas, spelt correctly. The rest of them have the same username. Sorry, that's the same display name, the same logo. However, what they don't do, which I do, is they spell my name incorrectly with 2 S's and 2 dots. Be careful. The username is different. The display name is the same. I will never message you, never try and sell you anything, never contact you. You send me a friend request and I'll accept it. And that's in the chat for you. All right, there you go. That's pretty much everything for now. Everything else is explained in the video. Welcome to the family. Now, we do have earnings season starting next week. Every day there's stocks to cover, more pre-market, aftermarket. If you are a member of the channel, for a minimum of $5, you can ask me to get up in the morning or late in the evening and cover your favorite earnings, and I'll do that for you. It's members only, and it's a $5 super chat minimum, and I will get up early or late and do a earnings for you. It'll end up then being edited into a video, and it will promote the stock as well. So that's up to you as well. All right, there you go. No one's buying a home. Let's read that there. Hey up, banana heads. Vaz, how are you? Can't wait to max out my IRA for next year. Yeah, I'm paying $2,300 a month for rent. It's insane. Bloody hell, really? Bloody hell. I should rent my house out if that's the case. What a week. I need to get another 2,000 to set a new high for 150,000. Bloody hell. Fight Channel, you're beating me now. Where am I? I'm now at 105. But I've got 135,000 now invested because I've got 30,000 in margin. So I've got 135 grand in there. But that's what I'm actually worth if I paid my margin off right now, 105. All right? Okay. The snowball effect is real. It is. Compounding effect as described by Einstein. Absolutely. The compounding effect is real. Hi, Vaz. Thank God it's Friday. Hey, Zachzate, did you see your funny video? You got to go and check it out, mate. Have you seen this? Would you buy a Tesla Optimus robot? There you go. You like that? There you go. That's happened. And also we have a short to celebrate it. I was sucked up by a robot, right? There it is. Here, have a little listen. Your toe. What the bloody hell's that? As your foot goes up inside the side.
Get me out of the vacuum.
Let me out. I spent it. I go on the website. So there you go. Go and check that out. And don't forget, go onto your phone and collab with me. You can collab with any of my shorts. It'd be a lot of fun. I'll feature them. In fact, I'll feature the members. If you pick up your phone right now, go onto one of my shorts, do a little collab or do a little reaction, it will pop on my phone. Tell me you've done it. I'll go and have a look and I'll play it on the show. That'd be great. What a good idea. I've just thought of that. Another member's perk. If you go and collab with a short right now or anytime, you haven't got to do it now, but now is for living, right? Tomorrow we'll all be dead. Forget tomorrow. Do it now. Pick up your phone, go onto my shorts, do a little collab, do a little reaction. Tell me you've done it. I'll play it on the show right now. We can all have a laugh. So you could be singing along. You could be to one of my little song things, you know, one of the little, when I wake up in the morning and I pour myself a coffee, will Bitcoin be up today? Yes or no? Sing along with it. Or just go, pull a funny face. This is rubbish. Do any of those things and I'll play it on the show right now. All right? Another perk of being a member. I mean, I reckon that's the best perk ever, quite honestly. You might disagree. You might go, not really. We'd prefer you just to review stocks, mate. You know, singing and dancing, larking about isn't what it's about, right? Yes, it is. It is. I Vaz, I Zach, I Caden, hi Fight. Bloody hell, enough highs. I recently learned that lifetime stock ISA is not worth for retirement if you're over 30, although the government contribute 25% on top of your 4K allowance. It's better to place it in stocks and shares, ISA. Yes, of course it is. Always do a stock ISA. Absolutely. That's what we do here. Traditional or Roth IRA or stock ISA. Don't just put your money in an ISA and leave it. That's lazy. Don't be lazy. Get off your backside. Buy some stocks. Stay invested. Mike, how you doing? As you can't invest for the last 10 years on your ISA, before you can take your money or retirement, better to keep it in your stock ISA and let it grow. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Just buy the S&P 500. It's not clever. It's not hard. It's easy. Heck yeah, I'll send my Venmo. Heck yeah, I'll send my Venmo. What's that? Ed Spitzer. That's a great deal. Somebody could make money with uninvested cash by allowing you to sign them up. That's a great deal. Somebody could make money with uninvested cash by allowing. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Right? Well, I'm giving it, there it is. Go and watch the video. Go and do it. I'm only paying for the first 4 months though. I'm only giving you $20. I'm not giving you $1,000. $20. Take it or leave it. That's all you're getting. Wish Robinhood UK at least half of the benefits from the Yes, it will come eventually. Lucas. Hello. Lucas. Who's this? Tommy's Inc. Lucas, can you look at Fuel Cell? You checked it last month, and I want to know if it's a buy right now. Lucas, I've got to focus on the members. You're not a member of my channel. So it's very, very nice of you to say, oi, Lucas, but I have to focus on the members. Where did you come from? I'm trying to see if you're a member or not. I don't even see you in the chat. Where did that come from? I missed that one. Oh, there he is. Tommy's Inc. Tommy's Inc. Yeah, if you become a member, here's the link. Look, I'll do more. I've got to focus on the members. I'm sure you understand that. Let's go down the list. Let's keep going through the comments. Keep going through the comments. Hi, Ed. Good afternoon to you all. Hi, Craig. Hello, hello, hello. Sadly, no. It's been a wild month here for me. Roommate drama. Back-ins, relation, policemen, more drama. I'm finally able to, bloody hell, Ed Spitzer, what's been going on? I've been writing mostly lyrics. I showed you this morning, Ed. I showed you a picture on the show. Okay, old friend, I'm loving it. I'm loving it, says Zach Say. He's loving it. PayPal owns Venmo. What about it? What about it? I collabed on T-Pet. Right. Now, how do I see that? Hang on then. You collabed on T-Pet. Hang on then. Right, hang on. How do I see this? Content, comments. Okay, mentions. How do I see this? How do I see it? Comments. Right, that's comments. That's mentions. How do I see this? I've never done this before, so I don't know how I see this. How do I see it? Content. Which one was it? Was it a short? TPET? Shorts. Let's have a look. I was sucked up by. That's dangerous, isn't it? TPET. TPET. I've got to find out how I end up being shown this, because I don't have any. How do I get told about this? Right. There must be a way it tells me. So the TPE. Oh, there we go. TPET. Right, there's one. Right, there's TPET. Dance invite. Comments. How do I see this then? Which one was it? It might not have worked. Yeah. Now you tell me. After I search for 5 bloody minutes, you say it might not have worked. Because I would have thought I would get a mention. Can anyone do it now, please? Can anyone do it now? Because Mike's a pain in the arse. You know what Mike's like? Bloody useless half the time. Can anyone go and do it for me? Click on, look, let me show you what you do, right? Here. Bloody hell. Why have I always got to show everybody? In fact, if I do it on here, right, I'll do it on here, right? I'll do it on my phone, right? So you can see me doing it. This is what you got to do, right? Whoops. Where's that gone? Right. Okay, here's my phone. Go on to YouTube. It's not gonna work very well because I'm already online, but that doesn't matter. So you're on my channel. This is your phone, right? You go on to Shorts. You go on to Shorts like this, right? So let's say I want to collab with that one. You click on it. Play on mobile. Okay, yeah, play on mobile. Right. Okay, so you can do, it's called remix. Can you see the little remix button, which is just about there? Can you see the little remix button? Bang, 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 bang. You click the remix button, and you can click collab. So let's say I collab. So let's say I do this right. Okay, that's the bit of the video that you want to collab with, because you can select the bit you want. Let's say you select that bit. All right, so you go next. You click next. Bing, 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 bing. Click next. All right, click next. Right, there you go. Oh, right, here we go. So I'm collabing with this. You can turn the camera around, face the front, face the back. All right, I'll do it. Or you have to hold your finger down. Hello, hello, hello. I'm loving this video. Best video ever in the whole world. Absolutely great. I think everyone should collab like this. You can collab all the way to the end. The little red line gets to the end. Let go. Do you like that? Now it's playing it back. Look, now it's playing it back. It's amazing. It thinks it's amazing. You can go and do some edits. You can go and change things and all that. All right. All right. And then you go, agreed. They are. See? It plays it back. And then you can go next. Right? I'll go next. Right? Next. I don't know if it's going to work. Right? Caption it. So you can caption it. So you'll say what you like. So a little test. A little test. Right? Like that. Done. And then upload, right? I think you can change, click the pencil right at the top, click the pencil like that, click the pencil, and then you can slide across and choose the best part, right? You might want to just sort of pick the best part, right? So you go, all right, that's the best part. That's where it looks great. Then I'll go done. And I've called it a little test. You can connect it to a video, related video, bing, 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 bing. So maybe you want it to go to a video. I don't know if you'll have that feature because it's my channel. I don't know. Anyway, and then you go upload short. Upload short, right? Should we see if it works? So see if it works. Right. So in a second, that will upload. And that's what you can do. And it'll upload to your channel, obviously, but it will link me in. All right. Now, if I go to my shorts, over here on the channel, like this. If I go over here, see the last ones? I was sucked up by a robot. Okay. If I refresh this, in a few seconds, it should appear because I put it on my channel. For you, it will be on your channel, right? But I should get notified. So it's going to be slightly different. Oh, Fight Channel's done it. Fight Channel's done it. Right. It's on my channel, so obviously it's working then. Right, I want to get notified. So in a minute, it should be there. All right, the one that I just did. Well, there you go. There's the one that I just did for myself. So now I do this. Look, what the bloody hell's that? As your foot goes up inside the side.
Get me out of the vacuum.
Let me out. I spent it. I go on the. You're going to be lying in the bed and feeling a tug on your toe. What the bloody hell's that? As your foot goes up inside. There you go. Now, obviously, it didn't have any sound because my phone's plugged in and all the rest of it. But you get the idea, okay? That's how you do it. Now then, that's how I did it, a little test there, right? But now I want to see how I get notified when you do it. Okay, so when you do it, let's see if I've got some sort of comment. Some people need help. So I've got a little, what's this here? Let's have a look. Comments. That's the linked video. I'm trying to see where it says You just replied, yes, it loads to my channel. I did it with a short fight channel. So you just did it. So how do I find out what you've done? Mentions, comments. Let's see. Where do I find it when someone does it? Content. Shorts. I don't see where it says it. Analytics. I'm trying to find where I could see. I don't think anyone's done it yet. If anyone's done it, let me know and I will go and have a look. I've done one as well. Vaz done one as well. Okay, so you've collabed with it. So where do I see it? Subtitles, no, copyright. What's that? No, drafts. Copyright. Removal. Messages. July. No, that's last year. It's not there. Customization. Where the bloody hell would it go? Welcome to the family here, Jonathan. Yeah, he's thinking, what have I done? Ed Spitz, a quick question. Do you think a person would see more gains with the S&P, or would they see more gains if they split money evenly across companies' umbrellas? Well, the risk you've got is you can buy it yourself, but you've got to watch every stock, because remember, you've got to have the balance as well. It's not about, well, I'll buy Tesla, I'll buy Coca-Cola, I'll buy J&J. You've got to buy it on the same level. That's very complicated to do. And not only that, you've got to know which ones to take out of the S&P and add ones back in again. So, I mean, yes, it's possible, but you'd have to spend huge amounts of work to do that. So I don't think it's really a good idea. So 2 of you have done it now. This is annoying. I don't know where it is. There's bound to be somewhere on YouTube where it says that people have done it. Recent activities, Simon Meadows, we got members, shopping, latest post. We got a sell-off going into the close. It's okay. People getting a bit, let's take some profit again. Comments. Mentions. I'll keep trying to find it. If you've all, I did too. So you definitely did it, and it posted to your, so Mike, you said it's gone to your channel, right? Go to the channel. There you go. So it's on Mike's channel. So I can see he's done it. Look at this. So now I've got to work out how, look. Frigging barge pole, quite frankly. And also, I wouldn't touch this with a frigging barge pole, quite frankly. And also, I wouldn't touch this with a frigging barge pole, quite frankly. And also, I wouldn't touch this with a frigging barge pole. So the reason why you were hearing that was because Mike was recording it while we were doing it, right? So that's why. I'm going to love that. I'm going to love it. I'm going to like it. I love it. So look, collabed with Martyn Lucas Investor. So it registered it there. There's another one. Look at this one. With a frigging over the weekend, I was working with a Dallas cheerleader. You want to have a little look at this? Of course you do. I can't play you. Over the weekend, I was working with a Dallas cheerleader. So it does work, but I don't know where I get notified from yet. There's his bloody snake. Look, his bloody snake Oh, it's got more bloody views than I have. Get out of it, bloody snake. Collab. So if I click there, that goes to the main one. That's how I can see he's done it. Promote, description, captions. That's the one he recorded by. He chose just a little bit of it, not the whole thing. He did the first couple of seconds. That's how that works. So there you go. Now I want to find out how I get notified. Once I find out how I get notified, then it'll be great. So it must be mentioned somewhere, is it? No. Comments. Mentions. All right. I'll have to work this out. Well, thanks ever so much, guys, for doing it. We now know you've done it. So now I've just got to find out how I get to find out where it is. And what I'll do is I'll comment on it and all that stuff. So I'll promote it. And copyright, subtitles. It's really weird. Content. Podcast promotions. Shorts. It's really annoying. I'll find it out. Okay. Sorry, I won't take any more time. I will find out how it works. Must be there somewhere. Anyway, we've got 5 minutes before the bell goes. Let me read all your comments. It might, it has worked now. Shots fired. I did it. I did all that, Martin. Rubbish. Yeah, Discord username. Jonathan V. Jonathan V. He's going, can we get back to normal? I didn't join for this. I didn't join for this. Username is Al. Okay, here we go. Let me search then. Let me search. Here we go. We should have a new member. And Jonathan V. Jonathan V. I do see you. Yes, I do see you. Discord username Al Gucci. I see you. You joined as a subscriber on Discord as well. So you are a special customer. That's why you are in green, Jonathan. You are a premium customer. You actually signed up through Discord. So what I'm going to do now, I can see that's you. I'm going to change your nickname. In fact, I don't need to. Jonathan V. It's the same name. If you send me a friend request, I will accept it. Pending. Jonathan V. There he is. I will accept that. All done. Jonathan V. And as you know, Jonathan, all done. All done. And there you go, Jonathan. We are friends. Don't accept any more friend requests on Discord from me because I am the only real me, obviously. I'm speaking to you now. There you go, Jonathan. Thank you very much indeed. You can now access all of the services here. If you go to Ed Nevius, right at the bottom of the channel, Ed Nevius provides scalp trading for free. He shows you all about scalp trading. There's something else going on here today about cars by the looks of things. Who posted that in there? Ed. Or Ed sharing something to do with his car. Anyway, this is all the scalp trading. He will provide one-on-one training wherever possible in here. So you got that. If you want me to cover things in the show, links for YouTube, you can post it in here and I will cover it in the show. So maybe there's something you want to cover. All of that. Fantastic. All right. That makes sense? Okay. I'm also going to give you an upgrade as well. So if I go back to members and give you a role here as YouTube member as well. Whoops a daisy. YouTube member. There you go. Look, you are YouTube member as well. You got the premium service plus you are a YouTube member. See, I've just given you that now. Right. Okay. I think we've done that. you need to go to my channel and watch. Yeah, I've seen that now. So I did it with a short. Yes, it loads. Yes, that's what it should do. But there must be somewhere where it notifies me, right? So that's because I want to be able to be notified so I can then go and comment. It might notify me on my phone. I haven't worked it out yet. Anyway, 2 minutes ago before the bell goes. Quick question. Do you think a person would see more gains? No, we've answered that. Welcome to the family, Jonathan. Agree. Wanted to hear it from you also. Yes, it would be far too complicated for you to work that out manually. I did another one. And the cost basis, the management fee, the cost to run VU is so low, it's like 0.001 cent. For every, in every stock, it really is so insignificant. It just wouldn't be worth your while. I did another one trying to figure out the volume on this. Fight channel. All right, let's go to Fight channels channel now. Go to channel. Here we go. Fight channel. Shorts. There we go. Fight. We got a minute to go. ER is Fight channel. Fight channel's done one as well. There you go. Toe. What the bloody hell's that? As your foot goes up inside the side.
Get me out of the vacuum.
Let me out. I spent it. I go on the website. I put in 10. He hasn't worked out the sound yet. You need to probably be doing it. Feeling a tug on your toe. What the bloody hell's that? Your toe. There you go. He's doing it now.
Get me out of the vacuum.
Let me out. I spent it. I go on the website. I put in $10,000 on my credit card. You're going to be lying in the bed feeling a tug on your toe. What the bloody hell's that? Your toe. As your foot goes up inside. Fight channel. That's brilliant. I might give prizes. To the best one. I've just got to find out now how I get notified, and life will be good. Because there must be a way that I get notified. Otherwise, what's the bloody point? I won't know what's going on. I won't know who's doing it. Right, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Ring the bloody bell. Best of the Little Fellas, 2014. That'll be good. Go and do that, Ed Spitzer. Wow, oh sweet. 2000. Oops. A-Mount. Best of MSK, best of Zaxay. I'm loving it. Where's Raman? Curious from your portfolio, how much are the deposits and how much is profit? Henry. I show all of my portfolio. It's a member's request though to go for all the details. I've got to focus on my members. Happy to do it. Show it all the time. Overall, I'm down, as you all know. I've explained it, but I would like to go through in detail and explain it to you, but it will take about 5-10 minutes, and I'm happy to do that, but I'm just dealing with members' questions first, all right? But yes, I'm still down overall because I lost about $30,000 with Robinhood, not Robinhood, with what you call it, with Virgin Galactic. So it's all profit since this year, since January, but I've lost about 30 grand, and I'm happy to go through all of it once I've done all the members' questions. The show has undergone many changes, Henry. Following along, the benefits are in the information and here in the chat. 3, 2, 1. Will we see VU get bought up after hours? Now, there's a good question. Okay, no problem. Henry, I'm more than happy to go through in detail if you are a member of our channel. There is the membership link if you want to do that. Excuse me, Matador and TPET. Let's have a look. Matador, MTDR. Now then. Oh, we got a nice little rally for Stephen Lewandowski. You've been buying this now for a while, haven't you? Oh my gosh. Didn't you buy it? Oh, didn't you buy it down around about here? Oh, around about 55, 56. Didn't you buy it around about here? Oh, you've made about sort of 9% so far then, I'm guessing. 180,000 worth of oil. That's pretty impressive. Mate, well done to you. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway, Let me show you on the live. We've just sold off into the close. Here's the day. You can see we're up 0.86. On the week, we're up 1.17. On the month, we're up 4.59. On 3 months now, we're up 12.23. What about the year to date? 1.52. And about the year is 13.15. What a run we have had. And this is just the beginning. Yes, 58. I thought so. You've done very nice, haven't you? You don't. Let me just get over 58. 58. About there. That was up 1%. Yeah, 6.5% then. You're about 6.5% up, I'm guessing. Anyway. 3,036 shares. Absolutely awesome. I'm loving it. Okay, now then, we got to go because, of course, it is the Friday concert. It's time for our party tonight. So, who's joining us tonight? Who's joining us for the party tonight? A party. Hopefully, our new members will join and they can join in with the party and have some fun with us. Here is the music concert. We are live in 56 minutes, but we're going to go there now. Phoenix. Ed Spitzer wants to hear Phoenix. Shall we do Day Trader of the Day? There we go. There is the concert. Let me give everybody the link. Okay. There you go. There's the link to join us. Let me give it to everybody on Rumble, or my Rumble audience. If you want to see me tonight, join me for a live concert. Where is John Granfor? Yes, where is John? He missed last Friday as well, didn't he? He never, ever misses. He missed the last 2 weeks. Oh, and he missed the last week. Hopefully back tonight. Anyway, I'm hoping tonight to get to 3,800 watch hours, 200 to go. That's what I'm hoping. And I'm going to be on my best behavior tonight. I'm going to try and record some songs I can put out over the weekend. So tonight, I'm going to be on my best behavior. All right? On my best behavior. So that's it from me. Let me send you now all to the... where shall I send you? To the extra channel, first of all, or the concert? I'm going to send you directly to the concert. That's what I'm going to do. Sod it. Let's go straight to the concert. Even though it's better to go directly to the... How many are watching? 24. No. Sod it. I'm going to send you through to the extra channel then. If we had 100 people, I was going to go straight to the concert. But for that number, that's all members. So let me send you, in that case, to the extra channel instead. And then when I'm ready, I will end it and it'll automatically come to the concert. All right. Evening, Foo Fighters, Green Gang, Go Mike. Where he will never do that for you. What's that? Where for Everlong he will. Green Gang, go Mike. He will never do that for you. I'm not sure what that means. 0.45. Where's the link, Brian? Are we starting that silly bloody game again? Right. Here's the bloody link for the concert tonight. All right. Right. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. It's so good though, and he'd master it in half an hour. On your best behavior, is that a dare, Martin? Yes. On my best behavior tonight, I'm going to record songs, so there's no larking around. Did everybody got their mug today? The third anniversary. Have you all got your third anniversary mug? We're gonna do a metal version of this. All right, a metal version of this. All right. Okay. A metal version of this. Right. Okay. You ready? What am I gonna do? I'm going. You ready? What are you ready for? What exactly are people supposed to be ready for? Aerosmith. Dragon DRG, that's a funny name. Do Dream On by... I can do Aerosmith. I don't want to miss a thing. I can do that. Martin, you won't do that for Ed Everlong. I'll learn it, but I don't know it at the moment. Why are you saying I won't do it? How do you know? Are you my bloody agent or something? No, he's not doing that. I mean, what's all that about? Right, okay, here we go. Day trader of the day. I'm not quite sure why Mike's saying I won't do it. I mean, is he my bloody agent or what?
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until
Here we
one
go.
day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Whoa, hang on. Got a bit of an issue here. I want to make sure we've not missed anybody out. I super chatted $9.99 and $4.99 for a hollow review, and didn't happen until I super chatted another time on Sunday because Sensei forgot. But it's all love. Ed Spitzer, I'm very sorry. We've done a hollow review. We've done 2 hollow reviews. You may have missed it. Let me just double check. And didn't Sensei do it as well? Let me just make sure. I don't want anyone being left behind. Right? We don't ever have it. We don't take super chats for reviews that we don't do. Everyone gets their reviews done. Right. Okay. So if you type Martyn Lucas, Hollow, HOLO, there's Microcloud. There, that was 5 months ago, so I don't know if that was it. 4 months ago, there's a hologram analysis. 4 months ago, 5 months ago, 4 months ago, 3 weeks ago, hologram. There you go. That was the one that you asked for. There was a chart done there. That was done by Sensei 3 weeks ago. That probably was it, was it? That was it, was it? That was it, was it? There you go. I think that was it. If that's not it, tell me. And if we've missed something and we've missed you out, I apologize and I'll put it right. No one ever pays for a super chat and doesn't get their, I super chatted another 99 for Sunday and then he did it then. Great. Everlong. Okay. Let me write down Everlong then. Let me write it down. Just bear with me. Notes. Let me write this down. Everlong. Everlong. So you said Foo Fighters, was it? Foo Fighters. Ed Spitzer. Okay. Right. I want you to see I've done this. I'm not just saying it. When I say I write stuff down, I do. There it is. Look, can you see? Everlong, Foo Fighters, Ed Spitzer. Okay? I've written that down. It's on the list. Okay? All right. Can we do day trader of the day now, please? Can we get back to it, please? Bloody hell. Day trader of the day.
The year is 1991. Birds
Up
and people are living
0.85.
together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
This is Phoenix. What's the wait time for us? The wait time for a $10 super chat is first thing Monday morning. If you do a $10 super chat, you will get a review first thing, 100% Monday morning. Straight after, in fact, probably before the bell. Yes, in fact, before the bell. If you do a $10 super chat, it will be done first thing, 7:30 a.m. Monday morning, first thing, 100%. Promise. If you do that now, I will do that for you 100%. Here we go. Not true. Can I super chat something recharging at 8.5? Here we go. Up 0.93. Ed Spitzer goes into the lead. Up 0.6. Mike! When did Mike last go into the lead? Never. Up 1.13. Hey, Mike. Sorry, Mike. You nearly won. 2.62. Still holding too much space. Brian Bynum. Up 2.62. Congratulations to you. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like that. All right, who else? Who else? Anybody else want to go at winning? Come on, give me your scores. What's going on? I got to get rid of that collab thing. I've got to get rid of that collab. Let me delete that. People are already watching my collab video, and it's rubbish. Shorts, I've got to get rid of that. Delete forever. Yeah, delete that. It's rubbish. Right. Good God. Congratulations, Brian. Thanks, Mike. I think, is Brian going to be our winner then? Let's call it. Brian Bynum. Too late now. There you go. Thank you for your honest trades. There you go. And give him a thumbs up. Brian Bynum is the winner. Yes. Brian Bynum is the winner. Anybody else, you're just too late. If you snooze, you lose. All right, we're not messing around here. If you snooze, you lose. All right. Quite frankly, if you snooze, you lose. Right, there it is. I'm not messing around. Okay. Thanks, Ed. There you go. Marvellous. Thank you, Mike. Why are you saying thanks to Mike? Mike didn't do anything. That's it from me. Let's roll the credits. Have we got any credits to roll? Roll the credits. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. That's all I can say. Let's roll the credits. Stars of the show. Members. Jonathan V. There we go. We got a new member today. Absolutely bloody awesome. Jonathan V. Credits. Thank you so much indeed, Jonathan V. Let's have a quick look at how we've grown. How have we grown? Oh, how have we grown? 125 in the stream. 12,500 views. 27,177 subscribers. He did. You're going to love that song. Thanks, Ed. Thank you, Mike. I remember when Martyn transferred all his stocks to his wife before going all in on VOO. I wonder how that portfolio is performing. Rubbish. Rubbish. You don't need to worry about that, Liam. Yeah, you don't need to worry about that. That's all done. I raised a little hell for Ed. Did you? It worked. What's going on here? We got riots going on. We got trouble breaking out. I don't want to see any fighting going on here, Mike. Come on, behave yourself, mate. Right, that's it from me. I'll see you back in a minute on the extra channel as I get ready for tonight's concert. Let's get a great concert tonight. Ed Spitzer, David Grohl, ex-drummer of Nirvana. He's not musically educated, but he sings and plays rhythm guitar for Foo Fighters. Thank you very much. I shall check out the song and see if I can learn it. If I can't, I can't. If I can, I can. You know, easy come, easy go. It's the way it works. Right. Don't forget to, if you are in the United States, if you are already on Robinhood or you're not on Robinhood, either way, get gold. I will pay for your gold membership for 4 months. I'll give you $20. I know. How ridiculous is that? How nice am I? I know. Can't believe it, can you? All right, there you go. Get it sorted out. He didn't get it. No, I didn't get it. I've no idea what's going on. That's it from me. Thank you so much indeed. I'll see you back in a minute on the extra channel, and then I will give you the link straight into the music channel tonight. And that's it from me. Ta-ra, everybody. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.